Accounting for Customer Loyalty Program, Allocation, Prorate. Sa Customer Loyalty Program, i-allocate ang sales sa total sales at total points value. Ang allocation ng prorate ay ganito. Para sa product sale, sales divided by quantity sales plus points value times sales equals sales value. Yung para naman sa points value divided by quantity sales plus points value times sales equals unearned revenue. Bakit ina-allocate ang sales sa Customer Loyalty Program? Ano ba ang Customer Loyalty Program? By definition, Customer Loyalty Program is an incentive or reward for loyal customers or repeat buyers. Ito yung kapag bumili ka ng product sa isang company, grocery for example, lahat ng nabili na products ay may equivalent na points na later on ay pwedeng i-redeem or exchange ng kahit anong product depende sa worth ng points na naipon. Another definition, it is an obligation to the seller in the future once the buyer claimed the equivalent of the incentives. The incentives can be represented by points that later on, the points will be of value. The points value can be used to purchase goods or services to the same store where the loyalty program is given. Ang Customer Loyalty Program ay liability sa part ng seller dahil in the future yung mga points na naipon ay pwedeng i-redeem ni buyer at ang kapalit ng mga points na yon ay product out ni seller. Kaya yun ang reason na ina-allocate yung total sales prorated sa points dahil as if nabenta na yung mga product equivalent ng points na later on ay i-redeem ni buyer. Kaya kailangan accounted na yung equivalent product or equivalent value ng points the same day na naganap yung sales transactions under Customer Loyalty Program. The question is, hindi ba lugi si seller doon kasi out of total sales ay ipoprorate pa doon yung cost ng products na ibibigay later on pagdating ng points redemption? Ang sagot, hindi lugi si seller doon kasi sa Customer Loyalty Program nakasama na sa markup yung profit ng cost ng product na equivalent ng points. Yun nga lang, maliit na lang yung profit ni seller compared sa regular profit kung wala na yung Customer Loyalty Program. Pero kahit na mas maliit yung profit ni seller ay ginagawa pa rin itong ganitong promotion kasi naiinganyo yung mga tao na bilhin yung mga ibang kailangan nila sa store na yon at para mas dumami yung points ni buyer. At ang impact naman nun kay seller ay more sales or tataas ang sales ni seller kaya tataas din ang profit ni seller in terms of sales volume. The purpose of Customer Loyalty Program is to encourage buyers to keep buying more stuff from the same store. The equivalent of the points value is accounted as deferred revenue of the seller and recognized as revenue when the points value is redeemed. Ang accounting sa Customer Loyalty Program ay deferred revenue dahil yung points equivalent value or product equivalent ay obligation ni seller until i-redeem ni buyer yung points. Yung deferred revenue ay nakuha sa prorate ng total sales at yung katumbas na total points ng sales. Meaning, yung recording ng total sales ay i-allocate sa dalawa, total sales at total points value. Pagdating ng redemption period, madedebit yung unearned revenue or maaalis na sa libro at ang credit entry ay sales. Ang treatment sa points value ay as if sold na or bayad na, hindi lang na-complete yung sales transaction dahil makikredit lang ito as sales kapag na-redeem na yung points ni buyer. Illustration: one convenience store started a customer loyalty program where the entity issue customer card. Every customer card holder has the privilege to accumulate points from all purchases made. The equivalent selling price of each loyalty point is 5 pesos. On year 2021, customer total points accumulated was 100,000 and 50,000 total points on 2022. The store expects that 100% of these points will be redeemed. 2021 sales amounting to 3,500,000 and 2022 sales amounting to 1,750,000. During 2021, the customers redeemed a total of 50,000 points and 40,000 points on 2022. Computation for 2021. For product sale, 3,500,000. Points at 5 pesos each, 500,000 na nakuha sa 100,000 points times 5 pesos. Total product and point sales, 4 million pesos. Kaya ang allocation ng sales for 2021 ay para sa product sale, yung fraction na 3,500,000 i-divide sa total na 4 million and ita-times dun sa total sales na 3,500,000 para makuha yung 3,062,500. At ang para naman sa points value ay yung fraction na 500,000 over yung total na 4 million i-multiply sa 3,500,000 para makuha yung 437,500. Kapag i-add yung dalawa, dapat magtatali sa total sales for the year which is 3,500,000. Journal entries: Number 1, sales transaction. Debit cash 3,500,000, credit sales 3,062,500, and credit unearned revenue 437,500. Number 2, redemption ng points. Debit unearned revenue 218,750, credit sales 218,750 na nakuha sa 250,000 points over 4 million times total sales na 3,500,000 equals 218,750. Nakuha yung 250,000 sa 50,000 points times 5 pesos. Ang computation naman para sa 2022 ay product sale 1,750,000, points at 5 pesos each 250,000 at yung total nun product and point sales 2 million. Allocation prorate for 2022, product sale 1,750,000 divided by total product and point sales na 2 million times 1,750,000 equals 1,531,250. Points at 5 pesos each, 250,000 divided by 2 million times 1,750,000 equals 218,750. Same pa rin yung account titles na gagamitin sa journal entries, mapapalitan lang ng amount. Journal entry for 2022. Number 1, sales transaction. Debit cash 1,750,000, credit sales 1,531,250, credit unearned revenue 218,750. Number 2, redemption of points. Debit unearned revenue 175,000 pesos and credit sales 175,000 pesos na nakuha sa 200,000 divided by 2 million times 1,750,000 equals 175,000.